Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Smartsheet for no-code app building, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL www.smartsheet.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. On the Smartsheet homepage, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button. You will now see the login screen. If you have an account, enter your email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Login button again. You will be directed to your Smartsheet dashboard. If you are a new user, you may need to create an account first. To create an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, such as your name and email. Choose a strong password and confirm it. After completing the form, click on Create Account. You will receive a verification email. Click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. Return to the Smartsheet login page. Enter your email address and password once more. Click on the Login button. Congratulations, you are now logged into Smartsheet and ready for app building. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features available. Explore templates and tools to assist in no-code app development. Begin your journey with Smartsheet by creating a new project or app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.